Hello, this is the old Dell webcam replacement repair video. First, to open it. That's an extra screw. Anyway, so these computers have 4 screws, one at each corner. We'll have to unscrew those, of course, to get underneath the bevel. As you can see, I've already moved the other 2 for another video. Of course, you'll have to do all 4. Like all the rest, the webcam is up here. We'll have to unplug it straight out. There we go. Also, like the others, there's metal tape underneath. You'll have to slice it open. Typically, I'd use an X-Acto knife, but I don't have one, so I've been using the spudger here, and it works, as long as you're careful and don't break anything else. You just gotta pry it up. And again, you don't have to be too careful, because this one's already broken. And there we go. It's got that metal tape on the back. And I got this new one that I took out of a parted Chromebook. You just set it in there. Plug it back in. And it pops into some clips that it has. And that's about it. Put the bevel back on, of course. Pops in those clips. And then get the corners and just pop it in all around. It will sound like it's breaking, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. Unless you actually break it, of course. Put the screws in. And then screw the screws in. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And the 4th one for good measure. And that's all, folks. You just repaired a webcam for an old Dell. See ya.